1976 GMC Sierra Classic C1500 Gentleman Jim Tribute here at Unique Specialty and Classics. I believe the Gentleman Jims were in 1975. Anyway, underneath the hood, numbers matching 454 paired up with a Turbo Hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it and that Gentleman Jim look. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper. Headlight surrounds, GMC grille. Nicely equipped from the factory too. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Technicians did note AC belt was not on the compressor. We'll get underneath the hood here in just a bit. Let you hear it run, take a peek underneath there. We're even going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, I want to tell you where to see the still pictures at. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Sorry about the noise in the background there. Detailed departments moving some cars around. Get some more ready to take pictures of and do the videos and get them uploaded on our website. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels look to be pretty straight. And again, paint has a nice shine to it. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior. Kind of a special bucket seat combination. Foldable armrests on there. Pretty stock looking dash. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see those lower rockers look good around the rear wheel wells. Don't notice a bunch of corrosion. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, receiver hitch. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Wood bed. It does have a lacquer finish. If you're into the late 70s, maybe early to mid 80s Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. We make it to see us in person as we take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see the paint has a decent shine to it. Not a bunch of corrosion above the front wheel well, down in the lower rockers. In the still pictures, you'll be able to take a look at the underside of this truck. Looks like it had Flowmaster mufflers on it. True dual exhaust. They dump kind of about at the axle, maybe a little bit in front of it. Be able to see that in the still pictures. Take a little closer look at this custom interior. Brown carpeting, houndstooth cloth, a cloth vinyl combination in the seating surface, and again, armrests. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Again, numbers matching 454, paired with an automatic transmission, Turbo Hydromatic 400. Look at the top of the dash. Well, that big block sounds healthy. Headliner looks good. Door closes nicely. Listen to this. Coming out of that 454. Let's go ahead and slip up to the front of this truck. I want to pop this hood so we can check out this engine bay. Stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to take this truck for a drive. Jason will show you how it drives out. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and the engine bay. Looks like a newer master cylinder and brake booster. I know the tech also mentioned it had a fresh fresh coolant flood. There you can see it looks like AC components are intact. May need a little TLC on that compressor. 4-barrel carb, that also looks newer. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. Good looking engine bay, and once again, numbers matching 454 original engine of this truck. Gentleman Jim Tribute 1976 GMC Sierra C1500 Sierra Classic, I should say. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a special 1976 GMC pickup truck that is very much like a very rare truck called the Gentleman Jim. This is an automatic on the column. Great sounding truck, very smooth running truck. Suspension feels nice and solid, steering nice and solid, good throttle response. Our speedometer is working. Oil pressure showing about 45 to 50 psi, and the volts are over 14. The fuel gauge is reading full, and the temperature gauge is reading cold. That may be just starting to come up.
Morning rifle, right? But, you know, guess what?
The radio works, and the blower motor works, and the windshield wipers also function on this truck. Nice looking headliner. Those bucket seats, a little bit different, a little more rare. You're not going to see very many like that. Nice road manners. This truck stays right where you put it. Doesn't pull to either side. Good exhaust sound out of that tailpipe. Power brakes working well. Do you ever have people stop at a roundabout for nothing? It confuses you a little bit. I think maybe they're confused. This truck corners nicely. Like I was saying, everything's tight. Feels like a low-mile truck on the road. Wood boards in the bed. You don't see that very often in this era. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about all the details and special features of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.